Hello everyone, this side Himanshi and today I'm back on my YouTube channel. I think it's been 2 to 3 days that I haven't uploaded this video. Actually I was busy somewhere, so I just tried to upload it right now. And yes, today's date, and today I have brought wonderful idioms and phrases. So let's start without wasting a single minute. So the first idiom and phrase that I have brought is fire in the belly. Fire in the belly, which something means to succeed or to have a firm determination to succeed. And the example of this is like, he has the same fire in the belly as of his father. The second one that I have brought is 22 dozens. 22 dozens, which means to speak without stopping. And you can use it like, he don't have quality 22 dozens. And the third one is as thick as thieves. As thick as thieves, which means very close, very friendly, very amenable, you can say. So in a sentence, how can we use this idiom as thick as thieves? It's like, I'm seeing them since last 10 years and they are still as thick as thieves. And the fourth one is the verbal diarrhea. The verbal diarrhea is something very engaged in talking, or you can say verbose or loquacious, garrulous, babbling. There are a lot of synonyms that you can use, and I can relate this idiom with my own life. Actually, when I was a child and I had been given as a name the Queen of Puck Puck. It's like, so the verbal diarrhea is something, the talkative queen. So I had really the quality of verbal diarrhea. And the fifth one is on the back foot, which means at a disadvantage. And how can you use it? It's like, he denied to play being on the back foot. And the sixth one is a sinking violet. A sinking violet, which means a shy person. You can usually denote someone's quality by using this idiom, a sinking violet. He's like a sinking violet. He's like a shy person. And the seventh idioms and phrase that we have brought is within a stone's throw. Within a stone's throw, which means at a very short distance. So I can relate it when I was a child and I was explaining my school from my home. It was like, my school is not so far, it's within a stone's throw. And the eighth one is to be ever bored. To be ever bored, which means to be very honest in any business, in any deal. So you can use it in your sentence. It's like, to run any business, you must be ever bored. And the ninth one is that we have brought is to fall in a heap. Fall in a heap, which means to not have control on your own feelings. So yes, you can use it in your sentence. It's like, when I saw the accident, I really fell in a heap. And the 10th and the last idiom and phrase of day 8 is a stitch in time save 9, which usually be said as a stitch in time, which means to act or deal with problems immediately. So you can use it in a sentence like, if you're having any trouble regarding your health, so it is better to get your health checked up, as a stitch in time save 9. So yes, that's all for day 8. Day 8 has been covered. Now it's your turn to watch it, to get it right now, and yes, to use it in your communication style so that you can improve it. And yes, I want your support so that I can find myself in a public square and I can relate to you and I can have your attention. So please do like, do subscribe and do share the channel. I would like to have your comment in the comment box. So bye bye, take care.